what are some of your mindful techniques for fellow designers? Because they're going through it too. They're getting
Oh my
potentially
God.
yelled at or complained at. There's so many moving parts.
Yeah. So, I have my cohort of designers, and we call each other up and we're like, I had such a hard day, So I think having that support system behind you, Lori Leisure, I don't know if I pronounced her name right. She'll kill me if I didn't. But she created this incredible society thing on Facebook that is so supportive for other designers. It's like, oh my God, I had this fabric and it was beautiful. It was perfect and it's discontinued. Where do I find it? Or, oh my God, my wallpaper guy just disappeared and I'm doing an install tomorrow. Who's your wallpaper person? Or, oh my God, this client's taking me to, court and they're saying that I did X, Y, and Z and I didn't do it and it wasn't in my contract. And, we all kind of pitch in. So when I started in the industry, it was so competitive and nobody spoke to each other and nobody gave their resources away. And, it was like, oh, you're another designer. I can't talk to you. So to have a community of other designers is huge, and I always put my services out as a therapist. I'm like, listen, guys, if you need, I'm here, and it's not as a designer for support, it's as mental health. Like, are you having anxiety attacks? Are you freaking out? Are you overly burdened? Because we're all burnt out at this point. And I think everybody in our industry is. Um, so I'm there, I do put my services out there for support, but I think having the community is so important.